Oh yeah, we might need a net for this one, Joe.
Oh yeah. Ah, but damn, he's fighting hard. I needed one.
He's gotta be decent. That's a big bait there.
Everything.
Oh, that's a northern, yeah.
No, it's
Right into the depths.
right
There we go.
Right.
Beautiful day for fishing. You got something.
Think of Pike. He's an active little guy.
He clamped down right on it.
Get off. Oh, he's almost got himself. Yeah, you just ripped your own lip out.
Are you a little bit deeper?
No, I think that was perfect. I didn't touch a weed at all.
I think I need to go a little deeper.
Oh, deeper lure?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, kind of like that guy. That's it. That one might be a deep though.
What? Let's see yours.
Mine doesn't have much of a tongue. Oh, what's that thing?
This?
What's that one? Oh, that doesn't have a tongue.
One of these?
That one.
How about this one?
It's got a good tongue on it. Steep angle, so it dives a little bit, but it's short, so it's not fucked.
Alright. Let's start this bait. We're right in the money hole here. If we don't need a net, I don't want it. Oh! Might be a weed. It's a fish.
Right in the money hole. Might as well just go back and forth with this fucking the rest of the day.
See ya, bud. It's just money every time. Dart out another 5-10 feet so you don't hit these weeds at the raft over there. Oh, it didn't get skunked today either.
Come on, bitch. Let's go.
You got one? Oh, hey.
First cast with the spinner
There we
bait.
go.
First cast with the spinner bait.
There we go. I'll shock on one. We need like 6 more of those. Oh yeah, we might need a net for this one, Joe.
Oh yeah. Yeah, buddy.
Let's go.
Oh yeah, dude. Fucking right.
Holy shit.
Shit.
That's picture worthy.
Okay.
First big bass in the new boat. Might hammer them pliers.
Fuck this fish.
Oh, it went through his. That's a nice one. Sweet. Fuck yeah.
Oh boy.
Well, now we both smell like fish. Yeah, I'm gonna bring us out a little bit. Oh, is that a fish? No, it was not a fish.
Boat. He's tight. Is he either?
Yeah.
bass.
Let's
Fucking
go.
baby. That's a fucking.
That's a nice one. It's like the same as mine.
Oh yeah.
Let's go.
Fucking right, baby. Oh yeah, baby.
You got your phone? How long is it? About 16 inches. Get a nice release.
What you doing, buddy? He wasn't even out of the water long. Or hook back. He's just lazy.
There he goes.
Let's go, baby.
We
That was
need
the same thing that
that.
happened yesterday. I put the spinner on, caught one first cast.
If the trolling ain't working, fuck.
God kind of stopped us too.
Yeah, he
Both got
did.
weeds.
We did both get weeds. Fuck yeah, this nets came in handy, that's for sure.
Both needed it for a big bass. That's
Yeah.
about it.
Fuck yeah. That was a nice 3-pounder. Oh, maybe 4, I don't know. They were fat. Cool. Should we go over where there's no wind? And try the same thing?
Let's drift it one more time.
I'm gonna put a spoon on and get right next to them reeds over by that house. It's hard for me to pass on this one. Oh yeah, I love how them bitches fly.
Go to the calm after this one drift.
Yeah. Sit on the hands a little bit. Right up close to shore. Oh fuck! Something just came at it, a smaller one. Yeah.
Oh yeah. A little bassy. Nice.
Beautiful. Plopper never fails. He hit that one perfectly too. You didn't miss that one.
That's aggravating.
Something to snack on.
See him?
Oh yeah.
Not as big as I thought, but damn, he's fighting hard.
We just need one.
I needed one.
He's gotta be decent. That's a big bait there.
Everything feels good on this pole.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's a northern, yeah.
No, it's a big bass.
That's a northern.
Oh, it's a good northern. Let's
Yeah,
go.
that's a nice one.
Fuck yeah, buddy.
There we go.
Fuck yeah.
Oh yeah, you got him just perfect too.
Let's go.
That's a nice one.
Fuck yeah. Shut up.
Nice.
All right.
Fuck
Okay,
yeah.
dude, he's got good. Look at the color in him.
Yeah.
Pretty.
That's about a 20 inch. Oh yeah. Right
Fuck
into
yeah.
the depths. Right to the depths. There we go.
Right after we sang.
Trolling. Alright, well, they're here. I gotta take a fucking piss quick.
Now we got 10. We're double digits. We're laughing. Oh, bass.
Did he just get off?
Yeah, he
Fuck.
flipped out the water, got it. Good for him. Nothing special, but
Small
like
one.
that first bass.
This one, I like this one because it's, you know you're gonna catch something big. Or something aggressive, one of the two.
That's like my dad.
One more cast and then we'll troll.
He's never trapped a fish and he's fucking running.
Yeah, crappie fishing
He
is,
puts down big old lures and he goes for fucking big fish.
yeah.
And oh my God.
I mean, I like catching crappie, but fishing specifically for them is kinda, 20 of them is nothing like catching one 6-pounder, you know, like one more. This is actually the last one.
It all kind of probably depends on where you started fishing. Like, shit. If you only grew up catching bigger fish, you're not gonna want trout.
Well, yeah, my grandpa would always take us trolling with big rapalas, or me trolling at least.
We were catching all kinds of 5-pounders on that.
Never a live bait guy, big lure guy, that's it.
Yeah, like leeches was a seldom thing. Maybe if like all the cousins came up, we would.
Yeah, basically we'd just troll, or we'd go somewhere by the shoreline, and that's how we caught all of our big bass and our biggest northern, was just trolling big raps like these. Fucking beautiful. Oh yeah. Nice, Pike. It's either a weed or a pencil dip. Oh yeah, there he goes. First blood on the new boat.
Some blood on the new boat, baby.
Can't get much better than this.